Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today, I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve this low tension hairstyle. This cute little ponytail featuring my natural hair and my natural curl pattern. I just want to show you guys a way to achieve a sleek ponytail without overly manipulating your hair with brushes, combs, etc. So go ahead and stay tuned. Hey guys, so here is what I use. I use Eco Styler Gel, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm going to use some water. I'm going to use this little baby hair brush and bobby pins and rubber band. I had a hair tie, but the hair tie, I lost it. Okay. So it's best if you probably put your rubber band in oil or something so that you can put this on your hair. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so let's get started. My hair is already wet from the shower. But normally when I do this, I'm in the shower and I put the product in my hair while I'm in the shower. But I didn't want to film while I was in the shower, so I'm just gonna show you like this. For this hairstyle, you want your hair soaking wet. So I'm gonna put more water. And I'm just gonna use my fingers for this style. No brushes, no combs. Well, no brushes, no combs through my hair. I will be using a brush for my baby hair. So I'm just going to section my hair really quick. Put some more water on the sides, in the back. Okay, so that's wet enough for me. Now I'm going to take the curl enhancing smoothie. Y'all, don't talk about my nail, okay? Take the curl enhancing smoothie, put it on my fingers, and start to run that through my hair, using my fingers to finger detangle. Putting some on the other side. Guys, just add water where you feel you need it and add product where you feel you need it. You want it soaking wet. All right. Now I'm going to take some Eco Styler Gel on my fingers like this and run it through my hair. Moving to the top section. More water. Now when I get to the top, I start to focus on the gel really being like thoroughly put in at the top because I want it to be smooth. So I just take some gel and kind of smooth it over on the top and shingle it some more because I want definition in my curl pattern. Now I'm just going to push my hair back and I'm going to start to pull my baby hairs down with my finger like this. And I'm going to go ahead and put some gel on those using this toothbrush right here or this baby hair brush. Kind of pull some hairs out on the side too. Putting some gel in the front right here. Brushing the little baby hairs down. Oh shoot. I found my hair tie. Okay, so Now I'm just going to pull the hair back very loosely, just like this. And I'm going to wrap my hair tie around my hair only once. So, just like that. Okay, so now I'm just going to start to like take little hairs out and pull them down to create, that's too much for me. To create that like little carefree, whimsical look, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just putting gel on them so that they stay throughout the day. Okay, that's good enough for me. I'm just going to take the back and I'm going to ball it up into a bun as best as I can because my hair is short right now. Take my bobby pins and secure that. Do your little last minute touches to fix it up how you want. And that is it. Let me turn around. Okay, let me put my clothes on. Okay guys, so that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys try this out. This hairstyle is perfect for anyone who wants to reduce tension on their hairstyle but still need to pull their hair back in a ponytail, maybe like for work or anything that you may have. Anything, any day. I also think it's very cute. So hopefully you guys try this style out. Let me know down in the comment section. If you guys have any questions for me about my natural hair, go ahead and leave those comments down in the comment section. Leave anything you want to ask me down in the comment section and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Bye.